Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 202. The AMD software installer cannot proceed as Windows update is currently in progress. So the AMD software installer has detected that Windows update is currently in progress and cannot proceed until the update has successfully completed. So here you can access your Windows update. So you have to finish your updates and restart your PC so you can reinstall the AMD driver. So if you are not restart your PC, the AMD driver cannot proceed. So here we go. You can open Windows update to check on the progress of current updates. This can be done by typing Windows update setting. Here we go. In the taskbar search box, then hit the enter key. If an update is in progress, wait until it completes. After completion, restart the system, then install the AMD software package. If an update has completed but pending a system restart, please restart the system, then install the AMD software package. So simple. So you have to finish your update, restart, then reinstall the driver. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Support this button below. See you in the next video.